We will rock you on the Schindler 338 hydraulic elevator at Dick's Sporting Goods at Willowbrook Mall in Houston, Texas. This is almost the same exact design like the one at Woodlands Mall. Anyway, so we're gonna have to wait for, hopefully I don't get detected by copyright, but Queen, the band Queen is playing. This is nice. Yes, we're definitely rocking you up. We're rocking a Dick's Sporting Goods that looks almost exactly the same design as the one in the one in Woodlands Mall. See, same color, same design. Handrail to the side, interesting too. I'm definitely rocking because I've been dying to come to this mall to film these elevators. All right, I'm gonna end the video here, so thanks for watching.